In this activity, you will be aiming the Sphero Robot so it goes where you want it to go. First, set up a pin and place the Sphero Robot as shown in the picture. You need to be positioned behind the Sphero Robot. The Sphero Robot has a front and back. The blue light on the Sphero Robot tells you which way it is facing. The blue light should always be at the back, facing you. Now, scan the QR code shown here and open it with the Sphero EDU app. Once you are in the coding screen, tap the aim icon. Press the aim icon and spin the blue light on the Sphero Robot to face you. Congratulations! Your Sphero Robot is now properly aimed. Now, let us take a closer look at the block code shown. This block code is from the movement block named roll. It accepts 3 inputs. Firstly, the angle or the direction to roll, which is in degrees. Secondly, how fast it will roll in the range of 1 to 255. And lastly, how long duration in seconds that it will roll. The values it now has is to roll at 0 degrees at the speed of 125 for 3 seconds. Press Start to run the code. It should knock over the pin. Try exploring different values to the roll input. Put your comments below on what works and what not.